This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your King C Gillette beard trimmer. First, familiarize yourself with the device, including its various comb attachments and settings. Before you begin trimming, make sure your beard is completely clean and dry. This preparation helps achieve an even and precise cut, preventing any pulling or snagging during the process. Choosing the right comb is crucial for your desired beard length. To achieve an even trim, always move the trimmer against the direction of hair growth. This technique helps to lift and cut each hair effectively, resulting in a more uniform length. Apply light, consistent pressure as you glide the trimmer across your face and neck. Pay close attention to defining your neckline and cheek lines, using the trimmer's precision head for sharp, clean edges. Take your time for a polished finish. Once you have achieved your desired beard length, use the precision trimmer head for detailed styling around your mustache and goatee. This allows for sharp lines and intricate shaping. After each use, it is essential to clean your King C Gillette trimmer thoroughly. Remove any trapped hairs and rinse the blades under water. Regularly oiling the blades will ensure smooth operation and extend the life of your device. For the best trimming experience, always ensure your King C Gillette trimmer is fully charged before use. This provides consistent power throughout your grooming session. Proper storage in a dry, safe place will protect your device from damage. And hey, if you're looking to simplify your routine beyond grooming, make meal prep easy with some fantastic leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to those, plus other great deals and resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.